Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's begin by laying completely flat and taking a nice deep belly breath. Slowly reach your arms overhead on your inhale. As you exhale, begin to bend your legs and bring them towards you as your arms come down. Let's do this again for a count of 9, 8, keeping it slow and controlled. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one last one, let's go, and 1. From here, we're going to engage your core and lift yourself up into a boat pose. We're going to pulse our arms for 30 seconds. You may be feeling this in your abs by now, but just keep going. Keep pushing and holding it, keeping your core nice and strong in this pose. Slowly bring our legs further away from us to make this even harder, holding for 5 seconds. Well done. I know that was a lot, so let's take a quick break before going into round 2. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, crunch your legs towards you for a count of 10. This is the same exercise as before, remembering to be mindful of the breath. Inhale, extending. Exhale, crunching. Only 5 more. Let's go for 5, 4, finish strong, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Gently rise up to boat pose and pulse your arms at your sides. I really love this exercise because not only does it work your core, but it will help you improve your balance as well. Now, slowly bring your legs further away from you to make this even harder. Hold here for 5 seconds. Wonderful job. Now we're going to move on to a series of stretches targeting your core area to hopefully reduce soreness and improve flexibility. Start by making your way into table pose, spreading your fingers wide. Curl your toes under and press into downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Look towards your feet to keep your spine straight and begin to walk your dog, lifting one heel and dropping it down, lifting the opposite heel and dropping it down, alternating from one foot to the other, feeling the nice stretch in our upper back. Walk your hands forward into a plank pose. Sink your hips down and keep your core engaged as we lift our chest, coming into upward facing dog. Breathing deeply and stretching our abdomen. As you shoot your hips back, come all the way down onto your knees for child's pose, spreading the knees apart and allowing your arms to come forward. Release your forehead to the mat and soften your belly. completely surrendering to your mat. Come onto your right knee and extend your opposite leg out. Lift your arm overhead to stretch the side body, feeling the stretch in our right rib cage. Breathing deeply. Release your left leg back to center, and now extend your other leg. Move your left arm up and overhead, maybe placing your right hand on your right leg for balance. Holding here for 2 more breaths. Wind your arm back down and release. Begin making your way onto your back. Hug the knees in. Release your left leg down. Hold on to your right knee and extend it outwards into a nice hip opener, keeping your pelvis square as you breathe. Move your knee across your body and turn your head to the right, creating a gentle twist. Come back to neutral and release your leg. Now hug your left leg in and extend it out. Maybe pressing gently into your inner thigh for a deeper stretch. Bringing the knee across the body and looking the other way for a gentle twist. Inhaling and exhaling. Come back to center and hug both knees in. Bringing your arms overhead, lengthening from the body as you sway from side to side. Inhaling and exhaling. Release your arms down for Shavasana. Closing the eyes, softening the feet, and quieting the mind. Give yourself permission to rest in Shavasana. Come onto your right side and take 2 full deep breaths. Then push yourself up into easy sitting pose. with one foot in front of the other. Inhale your arms up and overhead. Slowly exhale, bringing the arms down. Gently twist to the right and then to the left before drawing circles with your head to the left and switching sides. Hands come to heart center. Thank you for allowing me to share in your practice. Namaste.